In this lesson, we're going to learn about those controls that are going to allow us to indicate certain activity to the user so that it does not think that the application stopped working. For this lesson, I have created a new page called Activity Control Demo, which is a content page. I am going to proceed to remove this label element, and instead we're going to meet the first activity control, which is the control called Activity Indicator. As part of this control, we have a property called isRunning, which will allow us to indicate if we want to show the control or not. And in the same way, we have a property called color that will allow us to set the color for this activity indicator. Let's see how it looks in action. Here we can already see this control that is the activity indicator, which could be shown to the user to indicate that a certain activity is being executed. We return to the XAML code, and as part of the controls also of activity, we have a second control called progress bar. And unlike an activity indicator, we can assign a property called progress, which will allow us to establish what is the current value of the progress bar. If we see it in action, we are seeing this bar displayed, which is indicating that the progress is 50%. If you had to choose which control to use between the two, the answer is simple. If you know how many tasks have to be executed before the completion of the activity, then you would have to use the progress bar control. But if you don't know how long the whole process will take, then you should use an activity indicator.